Asia's significant economic development over the recent decades has been underpinned by a large migrant workforce. These workers have created a high demand for purpose-built workers' accommodation. Similarly, there is a shortage of quality purpose-built student accommodation in the world's largest education hubs, where they are seeing substantial growth in the number of international students. Centurion Corporation Limited is one of Singapore's largest workers and student accommodation owner-operators. Based on a recent Euromonitor report, Centurion ranked first among the purpose-built workers' accommodation service providers in Singapore and Malaysia in 2016, in terms of revenue receipts, with market shares of approximately 11% and 50% respectively. It is also the only Singapore-listed company whose core focus is on purpose-built workers and student accommodation. The company entered the accommodation business in 2011 and since then has strategically grown a strong portfolio of quality accommodation assets across Singapore, Malaysia, Australia and the UK.
Our growth over the last 6 years has been phenomenal. We started with a single accommodation asset of 5,300 beds in Singapore, and we now own and manage a strong portfolio of 21 operational assets worldwide, with approximately 62,000 beds, which is 1 billion Singapore dollars in asset value.
To strengthen its market-leading position, Centurion now manages its assets under two established and popular brands called Westlight and Dwell. Westlight is focused on workers' accommodation, while Dwell focuses on student accommodation. Both brands are dedicated to ensuring a quality living experience through holistic, thoughtful, and professional management. Driven by a passion to care for foreign workers, Westlight offers a safe, comfortable, and friendly living space for both individuals and the community as a whole. It is currently operating at healthy occupancy across 5 and 6 purpose-built workers' accommodations in Singapore and Malaysia, respectively. Westlight has a diverse customer base operating across various industries, including oil and gas and manufacturing. Dwell's promise to its residents is little things done well. Keeping this in mind, the brand is dedicated to offering safe, comfortable, and conveniently located accommodation to students studying in some of the world's most popular education hubs.
Like any hospitality business, our residents, be they foreign workers or students, they are at the core of our success. On the one hand, we continually strengthen our overall management and our SOPs and capabilities so as to manage costs so that we can grow our profitability. But concurrently, we also uphold our values to actively manage the soft elements that expresses concern for their physical and emotional well-being.
Centurion's business generates stable operating cash flow. As such, Centurion is in a robust financial position which is fueling growth for its current accommodation businesses and enables its management to explore other similar accommodation asset classes in both existing and new markets.
With a strong portfolio of purpose-built workers and student accommodation, Centurion will continue to seek growth opportunities in key migrant worker markets and education hubs to grow our accommodation businesses. We will also leverage on management expertise to grow our accommodation management services and establish investment management platform to manage assets on behalf of third-party investors and asset owners.
Looking into the future, Centurion has a strong pipeline of new and refurbished workers' accommodation entering its portfolio and is currently in the process of expanding into the United States, the world's largest education market.
With an experienced and committed leadership team in place, our proven track record of delivering strong growth and returns, a portfolio of quality assets around the world, our international accommodation brands, and recognized management expertise, we are confident that Centurion will grow from strength to strength and will deliver enhanced value to our stakeholders.
Centurion Corporation Limited.